Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Highway to Hell on bass. We'll begin with the iconic main riff. You'll start on a note, typically on the E string, and maintain a steady eighth note rhythm. The key is a powerful, consistent attack to drive the song's energy. This foundational riff sets the stage for the entire track. Moving into the verse, the bass line largely follows the guitar's root notes. You'll primarily play A, D, and G notes, mirroring the power chord progression. It's crucial to keep that consistent eighth note rhythm going, providing a solid foundation for the vocals and other instruments. Listen carefully to the drums for timing. For the chorus, we return to the main a riff, reinforcing the song's signature sound. The bridge offers a subtle change, often moving to a D chord before returning to A. Pay close attention to the transitions between sections. Your role is to provide a strong, unwavering pulse, ensuring the song's energy never drops. To truly nail Highway to Hell, consider using a pick for that classic AC/DC aggression. Practicing with a metronome will significantly improve your timing and consistency. Most importantly, listen to the original track, often to internalize the feel and nuances. Enjoy rocking out with this timeless bass line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.